Hi students, this is AJ sir. Let's read a letter to Grandpa. You will soon have to make a decision about the subjects that you wish to study in classes 11th and 12th. Write a letter to your grandfather telling him about the subjects that you plan to take up. Dear Grandpa, it was really refreshing talking to you on phone yesterday. I appreciate your concern for me and the interest you showed in the subjects that I should choose for classes 11th and 12th. Out of the three streams, that is math, bio and commerce, I plan to take up the first. Next para. In this stream, I shall have to study physics, chemistry, math and English. Out of the two optional subjects, computer and Hindi, I plan to choose computers. I have a natural inclination means interest, for these subjects and find them quite interesting, logical and even challenging. Moreover, they open up many career options in the field of engineering and scientific research. Next para. Fortunately, my college has good and experienced faculty in all these subjects. Faculty means teachers and staff members. I am sure with their guidance, I shall be able to do well not only in the ISC board examination, that is 12th standard, but also crack the tough IIT competitive examination. Crack the exam means to come out with flying colors, to get a high rank. This would pave the way, this is the last para now, this would pave the way for realizing my dream of becoming an IITian, that is a top engineering institute, for which I seek your blessings. Please give my regards to Grandma. Yours affectionately, Sid.